welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do another makeup vlog, and this is not just a makeup vlog because this is something extra, which is kind of extraordinary. I'm really excited about it because I just had a collaboration with my friend, which is Eloisa. She's one of a real friend of mine, and she do vlog, do creative makeup as well, so you can actually check her out. I will gonna put the link down below, which is her channel, so you can watch her videos, and don't forget to subscribe, lovies. So about this makeup look, this is not a makeup that you can actually wear for an everyday look. This is something that you can actually wear on a cosplay event or a team up party. And we actually planned about this a few months ago. I think that was last year, since we started having a collaboration together or do makeup tutorial together. We actually planned about it, but that wasn't the right time, I think, and we don't have enough materials to use. So today we're gonna do that. Yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So I just took a bath and I'm really sure that my face is really clean, so we can start up. So I just tied up my hair and put some hair adhesive, and also I decided to hide my eyebrows on this makeup look. So I decided to use the glue. This is acid free and non-toxic, so make sure that you got the right product. So I just used that to hide my eyebrows and let it dry. And also you need to brush it up using a spoolie brush. After that, I applied some setting powder, a loose powder, to flatten it up and also to make it smooth. So just add that on top of your eyebrows, and also after that, use a kabuki brush to remove the excess powder on your eyebrows. And then I layered it with a concealer. This is a yellow concealer, and I used this to cover up some imperfections on my face, just like the dark areas and also acne. But I used it to hide my eyebrows as well because it's really effective. So I just blend it using a beauty blender, and still I'm not satisfied with it, so I added more concealer, which is white and pink concealer. And then yeah, just use more concealer if you're not 100% satisfied, and then just blend it using a beauty blender. So I added some foundation and I applied it all over my face and also to my neck. And make sure that your neck and face has the same skin tone. And then to matte it up, I use a setting powder because I don't like it being shiny. So yeah, I just use a kabuki brush to set it. And for the first color of eyeshadow, I choose the yellow one because it's really bright and I think it really suits the forest kind of fairy. And I just applied it on the inner corner of my eyelid and also added some of it on my nose line just to connect the color later. So make sure that it is blended well. So just need to use your favorite eyeshadow brush and then just blend it, and don't forget the other eyelid as well. So for the second color of eyeshadow, I used this bright color of green, and I like how it turned out because it matches the first color of eyeshadow. And just I applied it on the center part of my eyelid. Not really sure if that's the center, but just make sure that the two colors are blended together. By the way, I'm also using the same brush that I used earlier. So for the third color is a blue-green, and I applied a lot of blue-green eyeshadow compared to the two eyeshadow colors that I applied earlier. So I just applied on the outer corner of my eyelid and I draw some shape. I don't know what shape is that, but yeah. And also for the lower eyelid, I added some eyeshadow, which is the same eyeshadow color that I used earlier. for the nose line, I also added some green and blue green. I mixed them together, and also to my cheek, I added some yellow color, just to look kind of weird. So I just added that to my face. I also cut the crease using a white concealer, so I can able to add more on my eyelid, because the eyeshadow is really too much for me. So after that, I applied some eyeshadow glitter, which is color gold, and I like how it turned out because it's shining, shimmering, splendid. But after that, I applied some gold eyeshadow because I'm not really satisfied with the gold glitters that I just applied, so I top it out with a gold eyeshadow, and it turned out really well. After that, I used this liquid eyeliner to draw a wing eyeliner. This is my favorite part, even though it's really hard to draw a wing eyeliner. And it's a big wing eyeliner. I also draw some eyeliner on the inner corner of my eye, just to make my eyes really wide, you know what I mean. I also use a white color of eyeliner pencil, and I apply that on my waterline just to make my eyes really big. I also added some fake freckles using the white color eyeliner pencil. I forgot the name of the cosmetic product, but yeah. I also draw some white lines or outlines on the inner corner of my eye under the black eyeliner, and also on the top of my wing eyeliner. This is a concealer, by the way, because I don't have a white eyeliner or even a white face paint, and I cannot buy because it's quarantine. So using a gel liner, this is brown gel liner, I use that to draw something on my forehead, and this is a moon. You can't tell because I'm not really good drawing something on my face, but this is a moon, just to add some effects on this makeup look. And also I added some dots and also some lines, just to add something. There's actually a lot of pictures of fairy makeup online, especially on Pinterest, but I cannot design, and that's why I come up with this look without any reference, and I'm really happy about it. So I added some freckles as well using the gel liner, and I also added some feathers on the outer corner of my eye just to give some effects. So this is eyelashes. My favorite type of eyelashes are from Taiwan, and I'm not gonna tell the brand, but it's local. So I just added some eyelashes as well, a little eyelashes on the lower eye. And also for the lipstick, I just used a nude one and also a light pink. I also added some dark red on the inner part of my lips, and also added some highlighters on the tip of my nose, and also on the top of my lips. And also I added, this is not actually contouring because I'm using a gold eyeshadow color, and I just added some of it to give some effects. So yeah, this is the makeup look of this Earth Fairy, and I hope you like it, guys. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel or comment down below if you have any ideas that you want me to do on my next vlog. Anyway, I hope you like this video, and you might want to try this at home even if it's quarantine. Bye guys!